9 habits that are secretly ruining your skin. You won't believe how simple daily habits could be wrecking your skin. Stick around to find out what you might be doing wrong, and how to fix it in just a few minutes a day. 1. Skipping sunscreen protection is key. This one mistake is causing irreversible damage to your skin every single day. Sunscreen is the most important part of any skincare routine. UV rays can cause premature aging and wrinkles. Sun exposure can lead to skin cancer. Not reapplying sunscreen throughout the day leaves your skin unprotected. Many foundations claim to have SPF, but they're not enough for full protection. UV damage can be cumulative and invisible. Sunscreen helps prevent hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can penetrate through clouds. Apply sunscreen every 2 hours when outside. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen for UVA and UVB protection. Choose SPF 30 or higher for optimal protection. Don't forget areas like the ears and neck. Consider mineral sunscreen for sensitive skin. Always apply sunscreen before makeup. 2. Over-exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating too much can leave your skin dry, irritated, and even more prone to breakouts. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, but overdoing it causes irritation. Over-exfoliation strips your skin's natural oils. Sensitive skin may react with redness or peeling. Excess exfoliation weakens the skin barrier. Always choose gentle exfoliants instead of harsh scrubs. Frequency of exfoliation should depend on skin type. Chemical exfoliants AHAs, BHAs are gentler than physical scrubs. Avoid exfoliating daily. 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. Don't exfoliate if your skin is already inflamed or sunburned. Always moisturize after exfoliating. Avoid exfoliating around the eyes since this skin is thinner. Hydrating serums are key after exfoliating to restore moisture. Over-exfoliating may increase signs of aging. Use a gentle exfoliator with smaller particles to avoid micro tears. 3. Touching your face too often. Your hands are one of the dirtiest things touching your face every day. Touching your face transfers dirt, oil, and bacteria. This increases the risk of breakouts and irritation. Constant face touching leads to clogged pores. Picking at pimples can spread bacteria, making acne worse. Don't rest your hands on your face, especially when tired. Avoid touching your face while wearing makeup. Dirty phone screens can transfer bacteria to your face. Clean your phone regularly to reduce bacteria exposure. Change pillowcases regularly to reduce skin contact with oils. Don't rub your eyes or touch them without clean hands. Avoid frequently adjusting glasses or sunglasses. Keeping your hands away from your face improves skin texture. Practice washing your hands frequently to keep skin clean. Use a clean towel to blot face oil, not your hands. Skin is more vulnerable to irritation if it's already inflamed. 4. Not getting enough sleep. This habit is doing more damage to your skin than you might realize. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including your skin. Lack of sleep increases cortisol levels, leading to skin aging. Dark circles and puffiness can be the result of poor sleep. Insufficient sleep decreases blood flow to your skin. Chronic sleep deprivation contributes to dull, tired skin. Skin barrier function weakens without enough rest. Sleep helps to boost collagen production. A good night's sleep aids in cell turnover. Try sleeping on your back to avoid wrinkles. A consistent sleep schedule enhances skin rejuvenation. Your skin produces more oil if you sleep too little. Make sleep a priority for a healthy, glowing complexion. Avoid screen time before bed to ensure better sleep quality. Relaxing before bed can improve your sleep patterns. Stick to a bedtime routine for consistency. 5. Hydrating enough. Dehydrated skin can cause premature aging, fine lines, and dullness. Skin loses moisture from the inside out, affecting its elasticity. Dry skin can look flaky, patchy, or irritated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain hydration. Hydrating moisturizers help trap moisture into your skin. Drink water with added electrolytes for optimal skin hydration. Dry air, especially indoors, can steal moisture from your skin. Use a humidifier in winter to keep moisture levels up. Choose hydrating face masks once or twice a week. Avoid hot showers that can dry out the skin. Look for moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Consider drinking hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon. Hydrate internally before you start applying external products. Add a hydrating serum for extra moisture support. Keep a water bottle by your desk to stay hydrated throughout the day. Don't neglect the skin on your body. Hydrate there too. 6. Using harsh skincare products. Not all skincare products are made for your skin type, and some can do more harm than good. Harsh ingredients can cause irritation and strip the skin barrier. Avoid products with too much alcohol, fragrance, or sulfates. Sensitive skin reacts poorly to certain chemicals. Test new products before full use. Look for gentle cleansers that don't leave your skin tight. Choose products suited for your specific skin type: oily, dry, sensitive. Avoid overloading your skin with multiple active ingredients. Focus on soothing and nourishing products if you have irritated skin. Overuse of strong acids can damage your skin over time. Always read product labels carefully. Consult with a dermatologist before trying strong new ingredients. Stick to products that have fewer and more natural ingredients. Use simple, minimalistic skincare routines to avoid irritation. Consider switching to fragrance-free products to prevent sensitivities. Listen to your skin. If it reacts negatively, stop using the product. 7. Using expired skincare products. You may be unknowingly applying expired products that are harming your skin. Expired products lose their potency and may cause irritation. Old products can harbor bacteria, leading to breakouts. Never use products past their expiration date for safety. Smell, texture, or color changes indicate product expiration. Don't hold on to products just because they were expensive. Toss items that are more than 6 months old after opening. Pay attention to the best by date on skincare labels. Keep track of when you open new products to ensure freshness. Expired sunscreen offers no protection. Avoid mixing expired products with active ingredients. Storing products improperly can lead to early expiration. Regularly clean and organize your skincare collection. Avoid buying products in bulk if you won't use them quickly. Reevaluate your skincare regimen every few months. Check for signs of product separation or unusual clumping. 8. Smoking or drinking too much alcohol. You're damaging your skin with every cigarette and glass of alcohol you consume. Smoking reduces blood flow, leading to pale, dull skin. Alcohol dehydrates your skin, making it look dry and wrinkled. Both habits increase free radical damage, speeding up aging. Smoking slows down collagen production, causing sagging skin. Excessive alcohol consumption can contribute to rosacea and redness. Quit smoking to help reverse the damage and promote healthier skin. Drink alcohol in moderation to prevent dehydration. Smoking can cause skin discoloration and uneven skin tone. Alcohol promotes puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. Alcohol breaks down the vitamin A that your skin needs to stay youthful. Hydrate your skin with water after drinking alcohol. Avoid smoking indoors to limit your exposure to second-hand smoke. Prioritize skincare products that restore lost moisture. Ensure you're getting enough nutrients to counteract the effects of these habits. Your skin will improve once you stop or reduce both habits. 9. Not cleaning your makeup brushes regularly. Dirty makeup brushes could be the secret culprit behind your breakouts. Brushes collect dirt, oil, and bacteria that transfer onto your skin. Using unclean brushes can lead to clogged pores, acne, and irritation. Makeup residue on brushes can cause skin sensitivity, especially if you have delicate skin. Dirty brushes spread bacteria from one part of your face to another. You're also applying makeup unevenly with dirty brushes, leading to a dull finish. Bacteria buildup can worsen pre-existing skin conditions like rosacea. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. What's one habit you'll stop doing right now? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you learned something new today.